Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Persian Pronunciation Guide. Speak clearly from day one. What if I told you that you could sound clear, confident, and genuinely understood in Persian from your very first day? Not after months, not after memorizing thousands of words. From the very beginning. Because pronunciation is not about talent. It's about understanding a few key sounds and training your mouth just a little differently. And today, I'm going to guide you step by step through Persian pronunciation, so you can start speaking clearly. Right now, let's start with something important. In Persian, pronunciation is everything. You can use simple vocabulary, basic grammar, even make small mistakes, and still be understood if your pronunciation is clear. But if your pronunciation is off, even slightly, people may struggle to understand you. So instead of waiting, we're going to build the right habits from day one. First, you need to understand how Persian sounds as a whole. Persian is smooth, flowing, almost musical. There are no harsh stops, no sudden breaks. Words connect solely, like a gentle stream. So, as you listen and repeat, don't rush. Let your voice glide. Now, let's break it down. We'll start with vowels. These are the foundation. Persian has 6 main vowel sounds, short, 3 long. Let's go slowly. Repeat after me. Short vowels. A, like in cat. Open your mouth slightly. Relax. E, like in bed. Soft, neutral. Like in hot, rounded lips. Now the long vowels, stretch them just a bit more. Ah, like father. Deep, open sound. I, like machine. Smile slightly as you say it. Like food. Round your lips fully. Take your time. Again, slowly. Let each sound settle. Now, let's look at consonants. Most Persian consonants are similar to English, but A few are different and very important. Let's focus on the key ones. First, this is a deep sound of your throat. You're gently clearing your throat. Cock. Don't force it. Keep it soft. Also from the throat, but more voiced. Try alternating. Slowly. Then we have our. In Persian, it's slightly rolled. Not too strong, just a light vibration. Ah, practice gently. And finally, always pronounced, never silent. Even at the end of a word. Soft, but present. Now let's talk about stress. In Persian, stress usually falls on the last syllable. This is very important. If you stress the wrong part, the word may sound unfamiliar. Example, salam. The stress is at the end. Salam, not salam. Say it again. Salam. Feel that emphasis. Good. Keep that pattern in mind. Another key feature is how words connect. In Persian, speech flows continuously. Words often link together without pauses. For example, Chetori. It doesn't sound like two separate words. It flows. Che, two, smooth, connected. So, as you practice, avoid chopping your speech. Let it flow naturally. Now, let's practice everything together. I'll say a word, then pause so you can repeat. Take your time. Focus on clarity, not speed. Ready. Salam. Khane. Dust. Koob. Merci. Again, slowly. Feel each sound. Let your mouth adjust. Let's quickly avoid some common mistakes. First, don't overpronounce. Persian is soft. Relax your mouth. Second, don't rush. Clarity comes from control. And third, skip sounds. Ish, ishu, and every vowel matters. Every consonant counts. Here's the truth. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You need clear pronunciation. There's a difference. Clear means understandable. And that's your goal. Every time you speak, you're improving. Every repetition builds muscle memory. So don't hesitate. Speak early. Speak often. You now have the foundation to speak Persian clearly from day one. Not perfectly, but confidently. And what matters? So take these sounds, practice slowly, and start using them right away. Because the sooner you speak, the faster you improve. And I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.